All right, today we're going to shift our focus in terms of religions. We are going to look at Buddhism. Okay, so your objective for the day is to be able to explain the main beliefs of Buddhism, which is different from Hinduism. All right, so our first task is to learn a little bit about Buddhism. So this is an Edpuzzle video. And again, we're still in the country of India because both of these exist in India. All right, and then we're going to learn how Buddhism spread because this is a religion that is going to spread in lots of different directions and it's going to spread relatively quickly. The idea of the Silk Road, which is something that we will look at, is also one of the ways that this religion is going to spread. It's going to spread through the traders that are there and the different products that they're taking from place to place. So you can read this yourself, or I will read it to you right here. I do want you to also watch this short video on Ashoka, okay, because you have some questions to answer about Ashoka. That's coming up shortly. And this is a monk from Tibet, and they are practicing Buddhism. So if you've ever seen people with that kind of dress, you'll know that they are Buddhist monks now, just by the way that they are dressed. So here you're going to look at how Hinduism and Buddhism spread, and we need to look at the geographic barriers, the things that are on the land that might have played a factor in how or where these religious ideas spread. So you're going to download the worksheet. It's going to ask you to make a copy of it. And you are going to type your answers on this. Please do not submit a snapshot. I expect you to be able to upload the document itself. So here's India. And then these red arrows show, you can see little directions on them, little arrow ends like this. This shows you how both of these religions spread, where they went to. And here is a compass rose that will help you with directions. So for this one, this is a true false question. And it says, to just get started, Buddhism spread south from India. Okay, so south is going to be down this direction. This is India. So I am looking for, are there arrows that go south or down? If the answer is yes, then you would put true. If the answer is, if you don't see any arrows going south, then you would put false. And you're going to do that for these other directions, B through D. All right, number 2, find the Himalayas on a map to the north of India, and I'll show you right quick. The Himalayas are right here. And my question is, do a quick Google search and find out what the Himalayas are. And give me a few details on the Himalayas. And then explain why Buddhism probably did not spread to the north of India. Okay, so here's India. It's asking, why did it not spread north, which is this way? It goes other directions, but it doesn't go north. And I'll give you a hint. Think about question 2 when you answer that. All right, you're going to save it. Your directions for saving your file were in the assignment right here. Save your work by clicking File, Download, and Save a PDF. And those are your assignments for today. Let me know if you need any help.